5410 Renwood update video. We'll be done with this next week. Good news. So we did get the boxes in and everything, all the flooring's in. Everything's pretty much done. See right here, everything's in. The bathroom, everything will be done next week. We'll put it on the market next week. So I'm excited about that, as I'm sure you are too. See all the flooring, all this, all done. We just gotta finish the bathroom and the kitchen pretty much. The guy that sprays all this is coming in Tuesday to epoxy all this, so all this is gonna look brand new. They already have the new toilet in, new vanity, all that stuff, but everything's done there. You see how nice this bedroom looks. Looks spectacular. Here, I'll turn the light on there. I can't wait to get this done on the market for you, but it'll be done next week. So here's all this, as you can see. There's all the flooring, all the paint. All this is done. Same thing in here. All this is finished. Flooring really come out well. You can see we put the quarter on there, plug, switches, lights. Let's go down and I'll show you your new electrical boxes too. We had to put 2 of them in. Here's all the kitchen, all the flooring get put in the kitchen too. You can see there all that got put in. Here's this one got replaced. This is a sub panel. He's got to put it all in and get it all dressed up, but it's very, very nice. Let's go down here in the basement. So here's the other one. You'll have all this done. He said this weekend. There's your other new box. So all that's brand new. That's your sub panel. That's your panel there. That's your main panel. So the other one's a sub panel. The other one's a main panel. Let me show you the bathroom. They got all that, getting all that done. So this is your new bathroom. I'll show you the shower. Shower's been put in. It's really a nice surround. Check that out. Nice. So we're getting there. We're almost done. Done next week. I promise you. And we'll get this on the market and get it sold. Thank you and have a great day.